is all you'll need to make a lovely steak in black pepper sauce. Some steak, of course, an onion, some butter, some oil with a high smoking point, a dash of sherry, or you can use white wine, some Dijon mustard, some double cream, and last but not least, some black peppers. First thing we're going to do is get a bit of salt onto your steaks, both sides of course, and then get your oil and butter into a pan and get them heated up. Once your oil and butter's nice and hot, time to go in with your steak. If you want medium rare sort of steak, do it for 2 or 3 minutes. If you want it just medium, do it 4 or 5 minutes either side, and anything over that is up to you if you want to cremate it. But so 2 or 3 minutes one side, 2 or 3 the other, or 4 minutes one, 4 minutes the other. When it's had however many minutes either side, I'm going to take it out, put it on a plate, and you're going to let it rest. Then what you're going to do, you can empty the pan of all the burnt butter and oil juices. With your steak resting, I'm now going to concentrate on your peppercorns and onions. So if you can, use whole peppercorns and grind them up yourself, either with a pestle and mortar if you're strong enough, or even better, into a coffee grinder, and let that do the job. With your peppers done, turn your attention to your onion. Now you want your onion really finely chopped, so unless you've got ninja chopping skills, I suggest you use something like this, a mini chopper. Into the pan that you use for your steaks that you've emptied, keep all them bits because they're all full of flavour then, and we're going to deglaze it in a bit and get them flavours back into the sauce. So in with your onions, you're just going to gently fry them off for 4 or 5 minutes. When your onions have had a few minutes, it's time to go in with the black pepper that you did. Swirl that round, give that a couple of minutes, it'll just release the oils and flavours out of your black pepper. It is that we want to taste after all. When your black pepper's had a couple of minutes, time to go in with a swig of your sherry. And what this is going to do, it's going to get all them burnt bits, well they're not burnt, but you know, flavourful bits off the pan, which is all going to add to the flavourful sauce. So in with that sherry, and then in with a teaspoon of your Dijon mustard. Get that mixed in. And again, just give these a couple of minutes to release the flavours. Again, when they've had a couple of minutes, time to go in with your double cream. Heat your double cream up so that gets hot as well. And there, into that delicious pepper sauce, you can pop your meat back in. Also with them juices from where it's been resting, get them back in as well. All full of flavour. Just give them a few minutes to heat through, then put on the plate with whatever accompaniments you like and enjoy it.